Hello and welcome to my video. Today I will show you how to install KVM on your Ubuntu machine, then I will demonstrate how to launch a VM using it. The commands that I am using will help me install KVM and its dependencies. With this command we can see that the libvirt daemon is active and running. Here we see that KVM got installed correctly and can also be used. We can now move to the next step, which is launching a VM using KVM. The first thing I am doing is adding a virtual hard drive to my Ubuntu host. I will then use this hard drive as a disk for the VM that I am creating and launching with KVM. Now we check if the hard drive was actually detected by the host. We see that it is detected and called SDB. We can proceed and start partitioning it with the next command cfdisk. The formatting process is now complete, and we are ready to change the hard drive's file system. I have chosen to use ext4. Here we need to add a second line underneath the first one. For this second line you will need to copy the UUID of your hard drive and paste it in the file, like I am showing here. Remember to take away the quotes once you paste it. As for the rest, you can write your designated mounting point and finish the rest like shown. We can see that the disk was mounted successfully. One repertory will be used for our ISO image, while the other repertory will be used for the virtual hard disk. Both of these are needed for our VM. Here we need to copy or move the ISO image to the right directory. This last command launches the VM with a virtual CD, which is the ISO image, and a virtual disk, which we also created earlier. Now it might take a while to start, but as you will see, it does start with the right OS and becomes a fully functional VM, created using kvm. Thank you for watching. I really hope this helped some of you. If it did, please subscribe, drop a like and comment.